Good morning, students. You all have learned about limit in class 11th. Now next topic is continuity of function at any point. So we take an example. Let fx equal to 1 as if vx is less or equal to 0 and fx is equal to 2 if vx is greater than 0. So here is a constant function. Draw the graph of this function. If x is less or equal to than 0, then value of function 1. So let x-axis, y-axis, origin. This axis denote domains and y-axis gives value of range, or y is equal to value of fx. X is equal to 0 or less than 0, then value of function fx is equal to 1. Okay. If x is greater than 0, then value of fx is 2. So as x is greater than 0 means 2. So here is gap. As x is greater than 0, the value of fx is 2. So here is gap. We know that any function is continuous. Any function is continuous when we draw the graph of function without lifting pen. So here we cannot draw the graph of this function without lifting pen. Here is graph, lift, then from here. So this is discontinuous function. Here function is discontinuous at x equal to 0, because at x equal to 0 function is not continuous. We can write this concept in form of limit of fx as x tends to 0 negative. 0 negative means from left side. If we move towards 0 from left side, the limiting value of function is equal to 1, and limit of fx as x tends to 0 positive. When we move towards 0 from right hand side, the value of function is equal to 2. So here left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. This is the condition of discontinuity. What is the graphical meaning of continuity? We draw 4 figure. Let y is equal to fx be a function. In first figure, this is the graph of function y is equal to fx. At point x equal to a, graph is broken. Here we see left hand limit means limit of fx as x tends to a negative means from left side is equal to limit of fx as x tends to a positive from right hand side. Both are equal, but this is not equal to value of function at point x equal to a. Left hand limit and right hand limit both are equal. Here left hand limit and this is the right hand limit. Value of left hand limit and this is the value of right hand limit. Both are equal, but not equal to the value of function at point x equal to a. At x equal to a, value of function. What is the value of function? 0, because graph is broken here. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, but not equal to value of function at x is equal to a. So function is discontinuous at x equal to a. In second figure, left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to a negative fx. This is the left hand limit, and right hand limit equal to limit as x tends to a positive fx. So left hand limit from this side, this is the left hand limit, this is the value of left hand limit, and from right hand side, this is the value of right hand limit. From figure, left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, is not equal to value of function at x is equal to a, fa. This is the value of function. Okay, so left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, is not equal to fa. So this function is discontinuous at x equal to a. This function is discontinuous at x is equal to a. In third figure, left hand limit at x equal to a from this side, from left side. So left hand limit equal to limit of fx as x tends to a negative equal to limit at x equal to a tends to infinite, and right hand limit is equal to limit of fx as x tends to a positive. A positive means from right side. Limit from right side at x is equal to a also tends to infinite. Value of function at x is equal to a. This is the value of function. Means this is the fa. This is fa. So fa is value of function at x equal to a. So it is clear from figure, at x equal to a, both limit tends to infinite, and value of function is equal to fa. So here function is discontinuous at x equal to a. In case of both limit tends to infinite, function is discontinuous at that point. Okay, next figure. In this figure, limit left hand limit of fx as x tends to a negative. Limit from left side, and suppose this is limit from left side, equal to limit of fx as x tends to a positive, means right hand limit, both are equal. This limit and from right side, both limit are equal. And value of function at this point, so value of function at x equal to a is fa. So in this figure, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to fa. It means the function is continuous at x is equal to a, because we draw this curve through a without lifting our pen. So function is continuous at x is equal to a. So for continuous of any function at any point, left hand limit at that point is equal to right hand limit at that point, is equal to value of function at that point. All are same. After seeing these examples, now we define continuity. Let fx is a real valued function defined in its domain. Let C is a point in its domain, then function will be continuous at point C if left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to value of function at point C. This relation can also be written as limit of function fx as x tends to C negative from left side equal to limit of function fx as x tends to C positive from right side equal to value of function at that point. So this is the condition of continuity of any function at any point. Now take example. Fx is equal to mod x upon x, x is not equal to 0, and fx is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. So behavior of this function change at point x equal to 0. So we find limiting value at point x equal to 0. So left hand limit equal to limit of function fx as x tends to a negative. Limit of function fx as x tends to 0 negative. This can be written as limit of f. 0 negative means from left side. So 0 minus h as h tends to 0 equal to limit of h tends to 0. 0 minus h means less than 0. So this is function in case of x is less than 0. So 0 minus h mod 0 minus h upon 0 minus h. So we get h upon minus h limit as x tends to 0 equal to minus 1. Now right hand limit. So limit of fx as x tends to 0 positive means from right side equal to limit of f 0 plus h as h tends to 0. Here we write 0 plus h because we have find limit from right hand side. So 0 plus h equal to limit h tends to 0 mod 0 plus h. In this case, in case of 0 plus h means greater than 0, same function. So 0 plus h equal to limit h upon h as h tends to 0 is equal to 1. Now value of function at x equal to 0. So f0 is equal to 1. So here left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, hence function is discontinuous at x equal to 0. Thank you.